Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that if you cannot update your Snapchat or if there is any problem in updating your Snapchat, if your screen is stuck down Play Store while you update your Snapchat, so how can you resolve that issue in your mobile phone? So firstly, we just have to check that our network is good enough to update any application because updation and installation, these two process takes a lot of data and they need a better Wi-Fi or data connection. So first check that your location have a good connection of internet, and after that the second thing is to go on your Play Store like this. I'm going on my Play Store here on my phone. Let it be just open and find Snapchat here. In this screen, you can see the Snapchat and it's showing an update for me. I will click on the update button. After that, you just have to put your phone on flight mode and refresh your mobile phone in any condition you want. So now my phone is all refreshed and now I can update my Snapchat without having any issue. After that, if you face the same issue and after doing all this, so you just have to tap your Snapchat for 3 or 4 seconds here and simply uninstall the application from here, because this problem may be due to your extra usage or extra data inside your Snapchat application. So it's better to uninstall and reinstall this application in your mobile phone, and then it will also be updated and there is no issue in anything. So thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.